the chocolate into pieces.
That one came off. Be careful you don't eat it all. Chocolate.
Add
2 cups of the white bubble. That's so much. That's a little bit too much. Put some of them back. 2 cups. Collect the mundo. Melt the chocolate. Tell Mommy or Daddy to put in the microwave. Add a teaspoon of margarine. Mixing well. Let's see. Yum. Add the chocolate to the white bubbles. Mix the chocolate in. This is one that's a biggie. I do it with my hand. That goes quickly if you do it with your hands. I like it. Washed. My hands are sloppy. Put the patties on the side. I need at least 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 18, 19, 20. Scoop it in the patties. That one is a biggie. Biggie. These are perfect. Collect the mundo. Now let's put them in the fridge to cool.
Let's get ready for my party. These are the best ever.
After eating, remember to brush your teeth.
Adios, amigos.